Welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered about the race for global dominance in artificial intelligence? Today, we're diving into a fascinating development: China's massive investments in AI and their efforts to surpass the United States in this critical technology. China has been steadily ramping up its AI ambitions. In 2024, the Chinese government allocated billions of dollars to bolster its AI industry, funding research, startups, and infrastructure. This move isn't just about technology, it's about economic and geopolitical power. Artificial intelligence is at the heart of the fourth industrial revolution, transforming industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and finance. China's leadership recognizes that AI is the key to gaining a competitive edge on the world stage. One of the significant areas of focus for China is semiconductors. AI's potential hinges on powerful computing capabilities, and China is investing heavily in advanced chip manufacturing. Despite global trade restrictions, they're pushing forward to build a self-sufficient semiconductor supply chain. China's AI ambitions extend beyond domestic goals. They're building partnerships with developing nations, offering AI infrastructure and expertise in exchange for market access and data. This strategy strengthens China's influence on a global scale. Another area where China is excelling is in AI applications for smart cities. From facial recognition to traffic management systems, these innovations showcase how AI is integrated into daily life, improving efficiency and security. The integration of AI into public surveillance systems is one of the most discussed aspects of China's AI development. While it enhances safety, it also raises concerns about privacy and the potential misuse of data for social control. Let's not forget China's emphasis on AI in education. The country is investing in adaptive learning platforms that personalize education for students. These technologies could redefine how future generations learn and interact with knowledge. China's approach also includes fostering a thriving AI startup ecosystem. Cities like Shenzhen and Beijing are becoming global AI hubs, with incubators and funding programs to support innovation. However, this rapid growth doesn't come without challenges. Concerns over privacy, data security, and ethical AI development have sparked debates both within China and globally. Balancing rapid innovation with responsible AI governance remains a pressing issue. The AI rivalry between China and the United States is also driving technological advancements at an unprecedented pace. Both nations are racing to lead in areas like generative AI, autonomous vehicles, and quantum AI. On the geopolitical front, China's investments are seen as part of a larger strategy to compete with the US and other nations. This has intensified the AI arms race, with both sides striving for breakthroughs in fields like natural language processing and AI-enhanced defense systems. Interestingly, China's advancements have also spurred collaboration. Countries worldwide are working together to set standards for ethical AI and ensure that this powerful technology benefits humanity as a whole. So, what does the future hold? If China continues at its current pace, it could dominate AI innovation and applications by the end of the decade. This would reshape global power dynamics, with far-reaching implications for technology and international relations. But what does this mean for everyday people? It could lead to groundbreaking technologies that improve quality of life, but it also underscores the importance of addressing ethical and security concerns. As we look ahead, the global AI landscape is one of competition and cooperation. Countries must decide whether to prioritize collaboration or rivalry in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. As we wrap up, it's clear that China's AI investments represent a pivotal moment in the race for technological leadership. The question is, can the US and other nations keep up? Or will China's vision of AI supremacy become a reality? Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our future.